Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to use the navigation buttons, assistive ball and all in the Oppo A5 2020 mobile. Let's get started. It is a setting button. You should press on this and then you should press on convenience tools. After that it will lead you into the navigation buttons and all. I will show you one by one. Wake Google Assistant with power button. If you want this one, it will work like this. If you press on the power button, it will woke up your Google Assistant. Off this and navigation buttons, sidebars, swipe gesture from both sides. It will work like this. If you open some file, you can go back to home screen. You press on the side of the screen like this. After this, virtual buttons are these are the buttons which are showing below. This is the back button, this is the home, it will lead you into home screen, and this one is if you want to close all the whichever app you use, that button. And after that then it is the more. These all are the settings in this. Back on the right, back on the left. If you press press your screen at left, it will be back to home screen. If you press the right, it will be home screen. Which you want, you should choose that. And then assistive ball. This is the assistive ball which I am presently using in my mobile. This is the back button. This is the home button. It will be lock your screen. It is a lock, and it is the button which it will show you the recently used apps, and it is a screenshot button. This is the menu. This you can adjust this from. Can you see this? It is changing like this. After that, smart sidebar, it is already on in my mobile. I will show how it will work. This is the smart sidebar which is present in the right side of my mobile. We can shift this to left side also. These all are the shortcuts to message app, file manager and calculator. If you want to add some more apps, you can add. It is the edit. We'll add some Facebook, Messenger, and Telegram and all. Done. These all are present here now. It will work like this. After that, gestures and motions, I will show you this. Screen off gestures, it is already on in my mobile. If you double tap your mobile when it is off, it will on your screen like this. If you again double tap, it will close the screen. Then draw O to open the camera. I will on this and will show you. Can you see? It is asking for which camera you want to on. Like this it will work. And then draw V to turn on the flashlight. So I will show you. Can you see it is on the flashlight? Music controller is also work like that only. Add gestures, you can add the gestures They all are given draw V, side up, side down, side left, side right, draw M, draw W for unlocking or calling or small start an app, like that. They have given the rise to wake up. If you when you raise your phone, when it is ringing, then it will automatically wake up your screen. And auto ear pickup calls means if you put your phone to your ears, automatically it will pick your calls. Auto switch to ear receive. If you automatically switch to the receiver when you lift your phone to your ears. Flip to mute income calls. If you flip your phones like this, flipping means like this, it will cut the call, or else it will mute your calls. Auto dial when you hold your phone to ear, when you hold your phone to your ears, and it will auto dial the numbers automatically. That's it for today, guys. I hope you find the video helpful. If you find the video helpful, please share and like. Okay, bye. Take care.